This is the AC Wizard Academy. We're going to do a couple things today. The main thing we're going to do is point out a way to check the charge of an AC system, to correctly check the system. You're going to want to do the suction line temperature, and then we're going to convert the pressure on your gauges, and it's real simple to see what superheat you're going to have going into your compressor. On the other side, we're going to have the condenser, and we're going to do subcooling. And that's how you tell if your charge is correct. Most of your systems will tell you what they're supposed to be. There's a chart that they show you what to do. You have another chart. Your equipment normally will come with what you need for your superheat and subcooling. And anybody that says as long as the suction is beer can cold, they're wrong. Here's another manufacturer, same thing. Manufacturers tell you what they want. It's not just, I'm going to do pressures and I think it's good. It needs to be correct. And now it's very simple. It only takes a minute to do. We have a temperature gauge on each line. You have a liquid line temperature here. You have your suction line temperature clamp over here. And there's our meter. And if you look at your gauges, it's very simple. Your gauge pressure right here is about 120 pounds. The converted temperature for 410A is 40 degrees. 40 degrees on your gauge. Your suction line is 57. You have 17 degrees of superheat. And it's that simple. On your subcooling, we have same thing. You have about 300 pounds, about 94 degrees. And if you subtract your the 78 from the 94, you get about 16 degrees. So that's how you do it. It's that simple. If you are undercharged, you won't have any subcooling. Once your charge gets to a full column of liquid to feed the expansion valve, okay, you're required to have a full column of liquid into the expansion valve. Also, if there's a sight glass, you'll see that it's a full sight glass. So if you have a full sight glass and you have subcooling, even if it's just a couple of degrees, subcooling tells you that you have a full column of liquid, or should have a full column of liquid. But what's important, you want at least 8 to 10 degrees of subcooling, and your superheat should be around 16 to 18 degrees at the inlet over here, at your inlet to your condenser. Okay, this is what's going in to your condenser. That's your suction line going back to the condenser. In addition, another reason you want superheat is that it ensures you do not have any liquid hitting your compressor. You cannot compress a liquid, you will eat it, blow it up, whatever. So superheat and subcooling are so important to check the charge. There is other things in addition to that, but at this point that's the main thing to check. Now if you have no subcooling, you need to put more gas in. If your superheat is really low, you might have a bad expansion valve. Okay, this is outside for testing purposes, but these are normally inside. You have an expansion valve. So it at least gives you a direction where to go. But you need to have superheat and a subcool reading to ensure that your system is correctly charged.